Come with me to the Dollar Tree because if you're gardening on a budget, there are always a few things in here that can actually be useful. And also a few things that may look cute but are a hard pass. So let's walk through the garden section together and let's see what's worth buying for spring right now. Plastic flower holder. This is really nice. I think I'll grab one of these. One thing I like about Dollar Tree is that you can sometimes find simple garden basics without spending a fortune. Now, not everything in here is a win, but if you shop carefully, there are definitely a few items that can be helpful for seed starting, organization, and little garden projects. Let's keep looking to see what they've got. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If you're new here, welcome to the everyday life of an OCD-ish chick. If you're new to gardening, this is why I always recommend looking for items that are simple and practical. Things like planters, rakes, shovels, gloves, spray bottles, containers, labels, and little storage bins can all come in handy during the growing season. Now, some of these items are more about convenience than quality, so I always try to ask myself, will this actually help me in the garden, or is it just cute and tempting? If you've got little ones at home interested in gardening or playing in the dirt, I think these planters are super adorable. I believe they're $1.75 for a 4-pack, available in yellow, pink, and blue. Oh, I think I spotted another color, purple too. Okay. Proper drainage is important. Just punch out those holes. The Dollar Tree is the kind of place where you can build up your garden supplies a little at a time, especially if you're growing in containers, on a patio, or in a small urban space like me. You don't always need the fanciest supplies to get started. I want to know what you think. When you shop at Dollar Tree for gardening supplies, what do you actually buy over and over again? And what do you skip every single time? Let me know down in the comments because I know everyone has their favorites. Check out some of my other Dollar Tree gardening supply videos because I'm noticing they still have a few of those same items left here on the shelves. But I still say it's early in the season, so get them while you can. Grab a drink and get comfy. Keep watching because I'm going to share which items I think are actually useful for gardeners and which ones I would leave right on the shelf. I always enjoy these walkthroughs because inventory can be so different from store to store. Sometimes one Dollar Tree has a really nice little garden setup and another one barely has anything at all. So it's always fun to look around and see what's showing up for the season. These hanging planters are actually useful for gardeners. I have plenty of them at home. I'll share a picture of how I use them on my deck. And this watering can right here, leave it right there on the shelf. I was spilling water everywhere. This 6-pack here is very useful for starting seeds. They also have this smaller size in a 12-pack. I see they still have the Miracle-Gro potting mix. For the name brand snobs, it's $5. Definitely a very useful item. If you're trying to garden on a budget this year, videos like this can be really helpful because gardening expenses can add up fast between seeds, soil, containers, tools, fertilizers. It all adds up. So finding small ways to save really does matter. Wait, don't sleep on Dollar Tree for your garden because these right here, these might actually be one of the best cheap container options for small space gardening. Definitely worth buying. For me, gardening is not about having the most expensive setup. It's about growing what you can, where you can, and making it work with what you have. And sometimes that means checking places like the Dollar Tree to see what can support the garden without draining your wallet. Oh, now this is a really cute gardening tote bag. Love the print on this. Really cute. It's only $6. I think it's a good value for the purpose of the bag. 3 slots for storing heavy gardening equipment. And look, it even has matching knee pads. This would make a wonderful Mother's Day gift, a birthday gift, assorted patterns. I really like this a lot. LED hanging lamp in 3 colors, silver, also gold, as well as classic black. Here's another fun items for the kiddos. These are watering cans, super cute. Looks like a snail, an elephant, and what is this? Looks like a pink unicorn. Looks like a dinosaur. Now I know when we think of Dollar Tree planters, some of us we're like, but let me show you why I always stop and look at these. These are actually really great. I love the sizes. I love the shapes. And they're actually really good for things like growing lettuce and herbs and even starting peppers or tomatoes before transplanting. And if you're gardening in a small space like a patio, balcony, or even indoors, containers like this can add up quick if you're buying them anywhere else. Now listen, everything in the Dollar Tree is not a good deal. Some stuff is just cute, and that's it. I really like these planters. They are definitely useful, and I love the colors. They have them in a few different colors. Terracotta, stone, gray, and black. And looks like they're self-watering as well. Look at this. I recently purchased the telescoping fly swatter, but these are cute as well. Look at the fun colors. They've got the cute decorative flowers on there. I love that yellow. That purple is stunning as well. These are super cute. If you're going to be out there swatting flies, why not do it with the cute one? If you enjoy garden shop with me videos, Dollar Tree walkthroughs, and realistic gardening on a budget, make sure you subscribe and come back for more. I share urban gardening, small space growing, and real life garden content right here in Zone 7B, Maryland. All right, ELOC Nation, That was our Dollar Tree garden walkthrough. Let me know in the comments what you would buy, what you would skip, and whether your Dollar Tree has a good garden section right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.